Welcome dear students. Today in this video we will discuss about central nervous system. As you know, one of the most complex organ system is human nervous system, and human nervous system it consists of two parts, namely central nervous system which consists of brain and spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system that includes all the nerves of our body. Now let us first discuss central nervous system. Central nervous system इसके जो main parts हैं, they are brain and spinal cord, and the central nervous system it is also called the central processing unit of the body. And central nervous system, its job is to collect all the information from all the receptors in our body. The information is then added together before the messages are sent out to the effectors. In this way, best action can be taken in a particular set of circumstances, or we can say in a particular set of stimuli. Let us now see what is brain. Brain, it is one of the most important, largest and central organ of human nervous system, and it is the highest coordinating center in the body. The brain is located inside the skull of our body, and that skull is known as cranium, and this brain it is surrounded by three membranes that are known as meninges, which help to protect it, and the space between the membranes or meninges that is filled with a fluid which is known as cerebrospinal fluid, and it protects the brain from mechanical shocks. And pair of cranial nerves that arise from the brain, they are 12 in number. And the human brain, इसका जो weight होता है that's between 1.0 kilogram to 1.5 kilogram, and it is composed of neurons which are the fundamental unit of brain and nervous system. It has been estimated that the brain it contains between 86 billion to 100 billion neurons. Thus we can say brain and spinal cord they constitutes the central nervous system which is responsible for thoughts, interpretation and origin of control for body movements. Now let us see here you can see the diagram of brain. You can see diagram of brain. जो brain है it is broadly divided into three regions: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. The forebrain consists of cerebrum, and the midbrain do not have any further divisions. The hindbrain consists of three centers called pons, cerebellum and medulla. एंड ब्रेन जो है इसके थ्री पार्ट से आप देख सकते हो. जो फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ ब्रेन है बेटा दैट इज नोन एज फोर ब्रेन, एंड जो फोर ब्रेन है इट इज़ मोस्टली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर वॉलंटरी एक्शंस, एंड जो मिड ब्रेन है दैट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस, और जो हिंड ब्रेन है दैट्स आल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस. एंड यू कैन हियर सी डिफरेंट lobes of brain. These you can see these are different colored, these are differently colored, and there you can see different lobes: parietal lobe, occipital lobe, cerebellum, temporal lobe, frontal lobe and spinal cord. Now let us see what are their functions. First जो है forebrain, let us see what is its function. It is the largest part of the brain, and it is anterior part of brain. It is a site of all our faculties like learning, reasoning, intelligence, personality and memory. And this forebrain it includes cerebrum, hypothalamus and thalamus. Hypothalamus and thalamus are the glands that are present in our brain, and this forebrain it controls the reproductive functions, body temperature, emotion, hunger and sleep. In fact जो ये forebrain है इसमें जो largest part है that is the cerebrum, and it is the largest part of all vertebrate brains. Second is midbrain. It is the smallest and central part of the brain. Midbrain जो है ये सबसे छोटा होता है, छोटा पार्ट होता है किसका? ब्रेन का। जिसमें सबसे बड़ा पार्ट जो ब्रेन का होता है वो होता है सेरिब्रम और फोर ब्रेन, और जो सबसे छोटा पार्ट होता है दैट इज दिस। आप यहाँ देख सकते हो जो सबसे छोटा पार्ट है दैट इज दिस मिड ब्रेन। And midbrain, it has no further division but it consists of tectum and tegmentum. And last is hindbrain. It is a lower part of the brain, and जो hindbrain है it is composed of three parts: cerebellum, medulla and pons. And जो hindbrain की function मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला, it controls involuntary actions, these like breathing, heartbeat, sleep, etc. Now let us in detail discuss what are different functions of these different divisions of brains. First, it is cerebrum. Cerebrum is largest part of the brain, and it has been further divided into four sections or lobes. First is frontal lobe. It is associated with parts of speech, planning, reasoning, problem solving and movements. This means जो frontal lobe होता है cerebrum का, जो भी हम प्लान करते हैं, जो भी हम बोलते हैं, जो भी रीजनिंग हमें कोई आए, कैसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी हो, उसमें जो है हमारा फ्रंटल लोब ऑफ सेरिब्रम हमें हेल्प करता है. Second is parietal lobe, and this parietal lobe it helps in movements. This means जो parietal lobe of cerebrum है, it helps in movements, it helps in perception, it helps in detection of stimuli. And how will we respond to that stimuli? It is parietal lobe which help in this. Occipital lobe it is related to visual processing. हम जो हम आँखों से देखते हैं फिर हम कैसे उसको respond करें, in this occipital lobe helps. Fourth is temporal lobe. Temporal lobe जो है, this region is related to perception and recognition of memory. Memory जो हम में होती है, किसी भी चीज़ को याद रखना, या ऑडिटरी स्टिमुलाई, हम किसी भी स्टिमुलाई को कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, और थ्रू बाय ऑडियो मीडियम एंड स्पीच हम कैसे बोलते हैं, इसमें हमारा टेम्पोरल लोब ऑफ सेरिब्रम हेल्प करता है. सेकेंड इज सेरिबलम. बिफोर डिस्कसिंग सेरिबलम लेट अस सी मिड ब्रेन. मिड ब्रेन मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला, मिड ब्रेन के जो है इसके फर्दर डिवीजन नहीं होते, बट इट हैज़ इट इज स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ ब्रेन बट इट कंटेन्स टेक्टम एंड टेगमेंटम. और जो मिड ब्रेन है इसमें जो है कंट्रोल्स रिफ्लेक्स मूवमेंट्स ऑफ हेड, नेक एंड ट्रंक इन रेस्पॉन्स टू विजुअल एंड ऑडिटरी स्टिमुलाई. Now let us see what is tectum. Tectum is a small portion of the brain, especially the dorsal part of the midbrain. It serves as a relay center for sensory information from ears to the cerebrum. जो ये टेक्टम है मिड ब्रेन में, ये रिसीव करता है इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम आवर ईयर्स एंड इट देन पास मैसेज टू सेरिब्रम. इट ऑल्सो कंट्रोल्स द रिफ्लेक्स मूवमेंट्स ऑफ हेड, आई एंड नेक मसल्स. जो हम आई की जो रिफ्लेक्स मूवमेंट्स जैसे ब्लिंकिंग ऑफ आई or this movement of our head, that is controlled by tectum in midbrain, and it also provides a passage for the different neurons moving in and out of the cerebrum. This means जो tectum है it provides a passage for neurons which move in and out of the cerebrum. Second is tegmentum. Tegmentum भी होता है midbrain में, and ये होता है इस जो it's mainly involved in body movements, sleep. Yeah, it forms the platform for the midbrain and connects the thalamus. जो ये tegmentum है जो midbrain में present होता है, ये प्लेटफॉर्म परफॉर्म करता है किसके लिए? For the midbrain, and it also connects the thalamus जो gland होता है हमारी brain में, and it also connects the cerebral cortex and the spinal cord. Thus you can remember here जो midbrain की function है, it controls the reflex movements of our eye muscles, change in pupil size and change of eye length. Now Let us see what is this forebrain, which is also known as cerebellum. Cerebellum जो है, it is second largest part of the brain, and it is located in the posterior portion of medulla and pons. This means जो hindbrain है, it has further three divisions: cerebellum, medulla oblongata, and this pons. और जो pons है, cerebellum है, इसकी क्या function है? Cerebellum जो है, it helps in maintaining equilibrium, it transfers information, it also coordinates eye movements, it enables precision control of voluntary body movements, it is also essential for making fine adjustment to motor actions, it coordinates and maintains body balance. ये हमारी body को भी balance करता है during walking, running, riding, swimming. And जो ये cerebellum है, thus we can say इसकी जो function है, it helps in maintaining posture and balance of the body, and it enables us to make precise and accurate movements. It also coordinates smooth body movements such as walking, dancing, riding a bicycle, picking up of a pencil. Second is pons. Pons जो है, it's the primary structure of brainstem that's present between midbrain and medulla oblongata. And इसकी जो function है pons की, mostly जो इसकी function है, that it helps in regulating respiration. It also helps in controlling sleeping cycles. It also transfers information between cerebellum and motor cortex. And it also helps in sensations such as a sense of taste, hearing, and balance. Third is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata, it is small structure that's present in lower region of the brain, and इसकी जो function है, it controls various involuntary actions such as heartbeat, blood circulation, breathing, blood pressure, peristaltic movement of alimentary canal. And this medulla oblongata, it is also the controlling center for reflex actions such as swallowing, coughing, sneezing, जो involuntary actions होती है हमारी बॉडी में, जिनका हमें नहीं पता होता है, जिन पे हमारा कंट्रोल नहीं है, दैट इज कंट्रोल बाय मेड्यूला. जैसे स्नीजिंग है, कफिंग है, स्वेलोइंग है, सिक्रीशन ऑफ सलाइवा या वोमिटिंग है, दैट इज कंट्रोल बाय मेड्यूला ओब्लोंगेटा. ठीक है, this is all about this different divisions of brain. Now let us see what is spinal cord. Spinal cord जो है, it is a cylindrical structure. It is a cylindrical bundle of nerve fibers and associated tissues that are enclosed within the spine, and it connects all parts of body to the brain. It is spinal cord which connects all parts of our body to the brain. And it जो ये spinal cord होता है, it is also enclosed in the bony cage which is known as vertebral column, and it is also surrounded by membranes that are known as meninges. The spinal cord, इसकी क्या function है? It is concerned with spinal reflex actions, and it also helps in nerve conduction from and to the brain. ठीक है, और जो spinal nerves है, spinal cord से जो 31 pairs of nerves they arise from spinal cord. This was all about central nervous system. Thus you remember जो main parts of central nervous system है वो है brain and spinal cord, and brain के different divisions है forebrain, hindbrain and midbrain, और हमने देखा कि इनकी क्या functions है, और spinal cord. All about central nervous system. Thank you.